Welcome back to my YouTube channel, friends. Today we'll discuss about the descaling of your coffee machine, because this is very important topic, and it happens whenever you use regularly the coffee machine. And the same scaling is inside your machine also, because there is a motor and rotor. Sometimes there is a soft water, hard water. It doesn't matter. Hard water will take regularly, but after every 100 cups of coffee, you have to descale your machine, because that is very important part. Today I will show you all the steps how to descale. The first most important thing, you should have a descaling agent. You can purchase of any company. There are a lot of companies available for descaling. Make sure they have a fresh and not expired. The first thing is you have to mix the chemical inside the water thoroughly, because this cannot be mixed inside your machines. Make sure to mix it thoroughly, because if you not mix it, the powder will settle downside. So once this solution is fully mixed, and then put this into the beaker machine. The setup is properly done now. Now this is a solution which is mixed with a descaling agent. Now the most important part comes out is going to descaling mode. So there are buttons. Everybody is aware of these buttons. So what you have to do is to enter the descaling mode, start with machine off. This is the machine off. Then press espresso button and power button for 7 seconds, like this. For 7 seconds. Okay. Now this means your mode is a descaling mode. We have the chemical based water behind, and we have a cup here downstairs. Okay, so this is the cup. So everything will come here. Now you have to press this green button, the descaling button. Once you press the descaling button, the machine will start doing the descaling. See, it has started all the descaling process. And now yes, all water has been came out. Descaling chemicals are inside. So now this will came in stable mode. Now what you have to do is, let it this be 5 minutes, wait for 5 minutes, so that all the descaling process completes. Mode is still waiting. We have consumed only half of our chemical, half is still present behind. In a step 2, the same mode, because we're still having the chemical water, press it again. So the water will start coming in. 5 minutes again, so that the chemical has processed everything and removed all the scaling from your coffee machine. Because now you can see the light is in stable mode. This means all chemical has been removed out. Now what you have to do is make sure to make out your bottle, throw it away. First wait for 5 minutes, throw it away, clean it thoroughly, and put fresh water inside. Process again, the hot water will come again. So this way now we are cleaning out all the chemicals which were inside. Now this is the fresh water, cleaning it everything. This is the third step. Let the third step complete, then the site will be stable. So now throw away this water. Okay, when you throw away, we'll start the process again. Okay. So now the water will come again. This is water coming out, cleaning all your chemicals. First the water will come from the stream of jet. Then again the same process, the water will come from the coffee beaker. See, the light is again stable. The water has out. So this we have all the 4 steps. Wow, so all the steps have been completed successfully. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may repeat my video. You can see the previous video. If you have any doubt, comment me or ask any question below. I will reply you within 24 to 48 hours. Now you know how to descale your coffee machine. This is very important steps. And thank you for your time. And in case you are new to my channel, subscribe, share and like, so that I can make such more interesting videos for you day by day.